Okay, boys and girls, we're going to begin our first math lesson today. If you pull out your Saxon pages, I think you'll find we finished the number 19, writing the number 19 on page 55. So now we are up to the number 20, okay? And 20 is one of our friendly tens. So yes, if you would like to, when you write 20, okay, you are more than welcome to put our little happy face because it is a friendly 10. Okay, so just say 20, 20. 20 is a 2 and 0 close to each other. And then you can go ahead and put your little happy face in there. And then start at the dot. This is where you're going to curve up and around and slant down, pull back. That's how you're going to make your 2. And then make your 0. Okay, and then go ahead and put your happy face in there. Okay, so 20. 20, 20, and that's line number 1 for us. Okay, so line number 2, and we're going to use our mathematician skills to solve this problem. I'm going to read it to you. It said, Carlos had 7 baseball cards. Okay, he gave 3 cards to his friend. Draw a picture to show what happened. Okay, so it's going to be really easy to draw the cards because we can either use squares or rectangles to help us draw that shape. Okay, so first he had 7. I'm going to circle the 7. So this is actually a subtraction problem we're going to be taking away. So I'm going to count now as I draw these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's my 7 baseball cards. So Carlos had 7. If you need more time, just pause the video to finish making your 7. I made rectangles. If you made squares, that's fine. Okay, so he gave 3. Here's the next number right there, a 3. He gave 3 to his friends. So what you're going to do to show this subtraction problem is you're going to X out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then as a mathematician, this helps you clearly see a picture of the problem where you had 7, now 3 are crossed out, and how many baseball cards does he have now? So he gave those 3 away, so you just go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that makes it easy to see as a mathematician that you have 4 left, and you write the number 4 right there. Carlos has 4 baseball cards left. Okay. All right, let's go to number 3. This is a graph, just like our weather graph. It's just turned sideways, and we're going to count how many apples are in each row. A row goes this way, okay, and there's a line right there for us to write the number. So I'm just going to make a little mark, 1, 2, 3, 4. That helps me count, and I'll write my 4 right here. So in that top row, there's 4. Then I'm going to go to the second row down. There's just 1 apple, so I write a 1. Then I'm going to count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 apples in that row. So I'm going to write the number 5. Okay. And then go to the last row down here. 1, 2. There's 2 apples in that row. So I write my number 2. Okay. So now we're not quite finished because there's another part to this problem. And you're going to need a red crayon. So find a red crayon. And the instructions say, use a red crayon to color the apples in the row with the most. So most is going to be your highest number. Our highest number is 5. So I'm going to color the apples in this row red. Okay. You go ahead and do the same. Okay, so you can easily see now which one has the most. We're still not done. The next thing you need to do is find your green crayon. And it says use a green crayon to color the apples in the row with the fewest. So fewest is the same as your lowest number. So what is our lowest number here? Our lowest number is our 1. So then you're going to color the 1 apple green. And then it's easy for you to see most and fewest on that graph. Okay, well done. All right. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video, and then when you're done, rejoin us. We're going to do number 4. Color the squares red. So use that red crayon again and find the squares. Remember, the squares have 4 sides and 4 corners that are all the same. So here's our first square here. That's a circle. There's our triangle. There's a square right here. Are we done? Let's see. There's a circle. One more. There we go. So color the squares red. That's done. How many squares did we color? 1, 2, 3. So that was pretty easy, right? 1, 2, 3, and write the number 3 right there. Okay. Now, pause the video if you need more time because I need you to follow along with me on number 5. Okay, let's start on number 5. It says circle the 6th shape. So in order to do that, we have to use our ordinal numbers, okay? So 1 is first, 2 is second, 3 is third, 4th is 4, 5 is 5th, and 6th. 6 is 6. So that's going to be this red square over here. You're going to have to circle it because that's what it's asking us to do right here. We have the next sentence. It says put an X on the 4th shape. So help me count over. 1 is first, 2 is second, 3 is third, and 4 is 4th. So I need to put an X on that square. There we go. Okay. Then that's done. One more instruction here. It says color the 5th shape yellow. So I'm going to find my yellow crayon, and I'm going to use my ordinal numbers to count over. 1 is first, 2 is second, 3 is third, 4 is 4th, and 5 is 5th. So it means I need to color in this circle yellow, okay? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Those are our ordinal numbers, boys and girls. Okay, so we're all done with this page now. Give yourself an exit ticket. I hope you enjoyed your Saxon math lesson today.